Hi, I'm Kevin from Razer here at CES 2016 in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'd like to share with you our new Razer Blade Stealth Ultrabook. So this is the Razer Blade Stealth. It's a 12.5-inch IGZO-based display. We've got two resolutions, starting with a QHD panel, is going up to a 4K UHD panel. The 4K panel has 100% Adobe color saturation as well, and both offer wide viewing angles. The keyboard you can see is chroma enabled. That means each and every key is individually backlit with an RGB LED. It's a world's first for a notebook, and it's powered by our chroma technology. So what that means is not only do you get great personalization, you can play games right on the keyboard like Snake and Whack-A-Mole. We have all sorts of apps that run right on the keyboard, as well as an SDK for game developers. So you'll find chroma technology in the latest games like Call of Duty Black Ops and Overwatch. And what you can do with that is if you're taking damage in the game, the keyboard could flash red and other sorts of interactions you can do. The notebook itself chassis is just 0.52 inches thin, 2.75 pounds, and it's made out of CNC'd aluminum. Has a very similar design to our 14-inch and 17-inch blade products, very sleek. Connectivity-wise, on this side, we have a USB 3.0 port as well as an HDMI port. If we turn around to the other side, see a second USB 3.0, a headphone microphone combo port, and most importantly, a USB Type-C connector. This is where we enable Thunderbolt 3, and I'll talk about why that's important in just a minute. Inside this chassis, we've got a 6th generation Skylake Core i7 processor. It's the i7 6500U, and we've got 8 gigabytes of dual channel system memory. Storage-wise, it's a PCI Express solid-state drive with capacities up to 512 gigabytes. And with that, I'd like to share also with the Razer Core. So I mentioned the Thunderbolt 3 USB Type-C connection on the Razer Blade Stealth, and what we're doing with that is we're using that to connect to the Razer Core, which is this device over here. What that is it's an external desktop graphics enclosure. The concept is you have a really portable notebook for everyday use and casual gaming on the go, and when you get home you can unlock a full desktop gaming solution. So one cable powers the notebook and provides all the data connectivity to the Razer Core. Inside you can put your favorite brand of desktop graphics card, either an AMD or NVIDIA card. Supports full-length dual-wide PCI Express cards. All the modern-day air-cooled cards should work fine in here. We also have a 500-watt power supply in the Razer Core, 375 watts allocated to the video card. The balance goes to charge the notebook as well as power connected peripherals. On the back of the Razer Core, there's 4 USB 3.0 ports to allow for keyboards, mice, and other peripherals to be connected. And there's also a gigabit Ethernet for hardwired data connectivity. It's really easy to get inside and install a card into the Razer Core. You simply undo the handle at the back, slide out the interior, drop in the card and secure it with a single screw, slide it back in and close the handle, and that's all there is to it. Whether you're adding the card for the first time or upgrading over time as new cards come out, it couldn't be easier to unlock the desktop experience in conjunction with a really great Ultrabook. So timing-wise, the Razer Core will be shipping in the first half of this year. The Razer Blade Stealth is on sale now in the US. It'll be on sale in Europe in March. Pricing-wise in the US, it starts at just $999, and that's with an i7 configuration, 8 gigs of system memory, and 128 gigabyte PCI Express, and a Quad HD touchscreen display. So these are the two products we've announced from systems from Razer here at CES this year. We think everyone's going to really enjoy the portability that it provides as well as the gaming experience when you combine it with the Razer Core. Thanks for checking it out.